Welcome to this video on finding the best ERP for your manufacturing business. We will explore how to transform operational chaos into synchronized efficiency through integrated workflows, real-time visibility, and scalable growth. Many manufacturers struggle with the illusion of control. Issues like inventory mismatches, manual data entry errors, and poor visibility across separate systems for accounting and purchasing create hidden obstacles to success. Disconnected data creates a dangerous ripple effect. A simple manual entry error can lead to inventory mismatches, causing raw material shortages, production delays, and ultimately, costly failures in customer delivery. The solution is a synchronized factory. By using a unified platform, sales, purchasing, production, and finance can speak the same language automatically, leading to faster decisions and improved efficiency as you scale. Why choose SAP Business One? It offers enterprise-level capabilities for production planning, material requirements planning, bill of materials management, inventory, quality control, and financial management, all without unnecessary complexity. SAP Business One enables precision planning and procurement. From aligning production orders with capacity and calculating raw material needs to triggering automated purchase requests, the system ensures your materials arrive on time. Maintain structural integrity with robust tools. Manage multi-level product structures with strict version control via the bill of materials, and utilize integrated quality control to monitor products and reduce defects throughout the process. Gain end-to-end visibility. Track raw materials, work in progress, and finished goods across multiple warehouses in real time, while directly monitoring manufacturing costs, profitability, and cash flow from a single integrated database. Experience the ROI of integration. Move from a reactive factory facing shortages and poor traceability to a proactive one, leveraging real-time inventory visibility, automated scheduling, and live analytics. As your implementation partner, Kabeer Consulting Group provides expert support for SAP Business One, including consulting, setup, customization, and training. Contact us today for a free demo and consultation.